Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today my friends we are making something for the season. We are making pumpkin cupcakes. Out of this world delicious, really easy to put together. So right before we start and talk about our ingredients, you should right now prepare your oven and put it on 350. Allow that to heat up through, and now let's begin on our ingredients. Alright my friends, so right here we have my homemade pumpkin pie spice. Then we have 1 cup of sugar. We have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. My homemade pumpkin puree, that is 1 cup. And inside here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and my vanilla extract. And we're going to be using 2 eggs as well. Now let's begin. Alright guys, now let's begin. This recipe, it is super easy and quick to put together. It's pretty much everything is going to be dumped inside. It's like a no fuss, no muss kind of recipe. Real simple. So right here I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin spice blend. Now if you don't have homemade, you can certainly buy store-bought, or feel free to look in my YouTube channel. I will leave you a link below on how to make this. Really easy and simple, delicious, perfect. And then we're gonna start putting everything in no particular order. We're just gonna dump everything in here. So here is the oil. Oops, there goes my homemade pumpkin puree that I just made today. So it's absolutely delicious. And I froze the rest because I'm gonna be doing a lot of baking, with everything tasting like pumpkin. So can't wait. And here goes 1 egg. Try to open your eggs separately, just in case you don't get a bad egg. We don't want that. You don't want to ruin your whole batch. Okay, 2 eggs. Release. We're gonna put in some vanilla extract, and we're gonna put about a 1/2 teaspoon. And then mix to combine. Just mix through until fully incorporated. Doesn't matter if there's any bumps, as long as everything is combined. Guys, so if you don't have an ice cream scoop, you can use a measuring cup of 1/3 cup. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today with. Just really be careful that you don't make too much of a mess. Fill it up to pretty much to the top, or to 3/4 of the top. And then we're gonna, I'll choose this one. And then we're just gonna fill it up about 2/3 of the way. And that's it. They're gonna rise themselves in the oven. So I have 1 more to fill. This made about 13 cupcakes. Alright guys, my pumpkin cupcakes are all done. This batter made 13 cupcakes, and as you can see, they have a nice golden brown color. It took about 18 minutes to bake, so you want to check it around 18 to 20 minutes. And how you can tell it's done is when you touch it and it's firm on the top, and when you insert a toothpick in there, as long as it comes out dry, it's okay if it has some moist crumbs, but as long as it's not a wet batter coming out, it is done. And I'm gonna take this little guy out right here, because this is like the cooked made right here cream cheese frosting. Now you can certainly eat it without the frosting, but if you want to frost it, you certainly can. You can do a taste test. Now let's taste. Alright my friends, I can't wait to do a taste test. Now I didn't ice all of my cupcakes because not everybody in this house likes icing. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So I leave it for those who want it. Removing the paper. I can't wait to dig in. Oh wow, it looks so good. Take a look at that. It's soft, it's spongy, it's out of this world. Not too sweet because the balance is perfect with the icing on top. You can buy store-bought icing, you can make it from scratch, however you want to do. It's delicious, and even if you don't want no icing on it, you can enjoy that too. Thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with this. Enjoy the holiday season. The fall is in the air. Just making this is just gonna blow your mind away. It's absolutely delicious. It tastes phenomenal. You're gonna love it. Really easy and simple ingredients to put together. And I'll see you next time. So let me know what you want. Please let me know what you want me to make next. I have a social media account. Please also follow me on Instagram. I really do enjoy chatting with anybody that chats along with me, and we can definitely connect. Take care, guys. Make this is so delicious. Bye bye.